Let us learn a system, electrical system, and mechanical system for work power energy. Work done is given as power into time. Also, energy is also given as work done is nothing but energy, and energy is also what? Power into time. Let us see first thermal system. Examples of thermal systems are furnace, heater, geyser, etc. And in thermal system we need to understand various formula. Heat energy or sensible energy is given as ms delta T, where m is mass, s is specific heat measured in joule per kg per degree Kelvin, and for water S value is 4180 joule per kg per degree Kelvin, and delta T is temperature rise. It is temperature difference only, right? T2 minus T1. Also we know latent heat is given as m into L, where L is latent heat coefficient, right? So this is also heat energy in joule, this is also in joule. Coming to electrical system, what are the examples of electrical system? Home appliances like bulb, fan, etc. will be treated in electrical system, and in electrical system power P in is given as V into R. VI, that is related with only DC power, we are talking about DC power only. It is also given as V square by R and I square into R. We know V equal to IR. So using this we can write input power or power in terms of all these, and energy E is given as power into time, right? And this is given, and this power is in watt. So here energy is power into time, that is watt into second, and this is also known as joule. What does it mean? 1 watt second is 1 joule also, right? And we can write here power as energy by time also, that is joule per second. This will be also written as or watt. Here energy, which is power into time, in electrical term we have power VI into time T, or I square R T, or V square by R T. So this will be the power. Coming to mechanical system, Here one more thing is remaining, that energy can be measured in power into time, watt into second, or kilowatt hour also. And kilowatt hour is known as unit. In electrical energy measured, 1 unit is nothing but 1 kilowatt hour. Right. Talking about mechanical system potential energy is given as mgh, mass, gravitational acceleration, and height or head. Kinetic energy is given as half mv square, and if any rotating system is there, if this is force and it is rotating in this direction with n revolution per minute, with n speed, radius is r, then torque will be given as F into R. Right. Also we have one relation between power and torque. Power is torque into omega. Omega is angular velocity. Angular velocity measured in radian per second. Right. And omega is also given as 2 pi n by 60, where n is speed in rpm. rpm means revolution per minute. And what are the examples of mechanical system? Examples are lift, pump, and train. Etc. Right. So this is all about the thermal, electrical, mechanical system, and we must know, in especially in electrical, energy is power into time. Power can be measured into watt into second. It can be also written as watt into hour, or it can also be written as kilowatt hour. So energy is measured in kilowatt hour. The energy meter which is measuring power energy at your home, 1 unit is nothing but 1 kWh. Right. We know 1 hour is 3600 seconds.